Hey Sarah, it's been too long. How are things going for you?
They're okay. You know how it is. At my plant, it's one crisis after the next. Our on-time performance and fill rates are terrible. They're driving up our costs. Seems to be the same conversations and fires every day.
I feel for you. If you remember last year, I told you about my plant struggling with similar issues. The good news is we turned it around. We implemented a new suite of applications that use predictive analytics to help my team anticipate and intervene before major issues arise. Our performance is now the gold standard in my company, reduced costs significantly, and complaints for late orders are now few and far between. We can now focus our time on improvements and innovation. It's been a great change.
Seriously? Tell me more.
The technology and applications OQSIE helped us implement tracks everything, automatically in real time, even the performance of my older equipment and manual assembly lines. We have their applications for supply chain management, production scheduling, equipment effectiveness, and investigations. Just started to implement their technology in our laboratory and warehouse.
That sounds interesting, but we already have an effective manufacturing execution system. Not sure if we need all these apps. We've been having issues with batch release delays, though. Did you see an improvement there?
Actually, these apps complement my MES. They help prioritize all the signals we were getting, which aligns the focus of my tech services team every day. The great thing is we could pick and choose which apps we wanted to implement. We started with the Investigations app. Sounds like you'd start there too. It automatically connects the quality data with my existing ERP data and keeps everyone on the same page. We did away with our daily coordination meeting between supply chain and QA. Everyone celebrated the extra 5+ hours per week they picked up.
Wow, really? Was it a pain in the neck to get set up? I have a mixed plant like you, with some old equipment and some newer stuff, but software upgrades are still tough.
The implementation moved very fast. I was pleasantly surprised. The first app took about 2 months. All the others took less than a month. We did several in parallel in our Phase 3. After all, they just connected to our existing information management systems and a couple of manual databases we deemed critical. The information flow now lets us be way more proactive and no more fighting fires like before.
That's great. I'm tired of being forced to react to failures and not having time to do things properly. We can't seem to get ahead of the issues, and some of my department heads are working 60 to 80-hour weeks. It's not sustainable.
I know exactly what you mean. It just dawned on me how much my life has changed. Let me show you. My team now gets text messages and emails with real-time alerts when an issue is developing. The unexpected cherry on top was how collaborative my team became once we started using the apps. They've been asking for help. No finger pointing. And we catch most issues before they explode. Now, my finger is right on the pulse of what's going on.
All right, Jeff, who do I talk to? Are you getting a commission for this?
I'll put you in touch with my OQSIE contacts. No commission for me. But maybe I should ask for one, right?